You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and a giddy up. Secure the back, yeah, I get the buffs. Pick it up.
What's up, YouTube? Quick video alert. Oh man, you see the boy got the oh, he's twitched. Anyway, man, in the Mustang, man, gotta give me some tires. I already got tires up front, but I'll have to explain what happened with that, man. So you see these brand new skis up here. Had to replace the Nittos. This one was all right, but basically all four tires are worn. Especially in the back. I don't know how that happened. Definitely was not any burnouts or anything like that. You guys know I obey the law and stuff like that. So these are done. I mean, they're on the wear bars, but you know me, back in the day, I would have still killed riding on them. But since the front right tire, which I've already replaced, that was a whole ordeal. Yeah, since the front right tire. Hey, welcome back, y'all. It's been a long time since I made a video. Quarantine fro still in effect, even though I got the sides chopped off. The height is going all the way up. 2020 bullshit ass year. So anyway, yeah, front right. There's a baby seat back there. I just realized that. The front right tire was basically coming off the tread. It was separating and shifting off the rim, so that was no bueno. Since it's December, I'm trying to get my state inspection done for my sticker runs out. And yeah, I've had this car for a year now. I mean, it do in some aspects, but it doesn't in others. So it's been a year. That's crazy to me. But anyway, I bought these tires. They were already worn when I bought them, but I got such a good deal. I'm surprised I got this far on them. Especially drag strip stuff, burnouts, all types of shenanigans. Wait. I said I didn't do that. So disregard that. Cut that out of the video. But yeah, front right tire, which obviously would not have been a back tire, but I did rotate the tire, so maybe it was on the back at one point. But anyway, that sucker was jacked. It was done, and I didn't really notice it. I mean, I can tell that something was up over there. I just didn't know what it was. Turns out, if you have that feeling, you should probably check your tires. But yeah, that mud was toasted. And I failed the state inspection, but obviously in Texas you can go back and they'll pass you don't have to pay, whatever. So I did that. I got the two up front. So now, because these tires are so freaking hard to find, they got two more in stock. I'm gonna throw those on the back and we should be good to go, man. Be back out here rolling, or lack thereof, since I really don't get to go anywhere because of the lockdown stuff. But yeah, that was a whole ordeal. I should probably make a video on my experience with a certain Aunt Rona, but yeah, that more to come on that, but stay tuned. All right, so here we go. We free. Two rears on the back. Got brand new meats. Tires still got the little nipples on them. We'll get rid of those real quick. Man, I hate when they move my seat, man. That's what I'm gonna complain about while I'm driving away from spending all this money on new tires. Like I said, I was here Saturday, got two fronts. They didn't have a full 4 set, so I had to wait. So two more came in today, so I went on and got them. I'm gonna break these mugs in, man. They need a little bit of, heat cycling, get a little wear on them, All right, so we back in the car, man. Just got some gas. Got that fresh 93. I need to go ahead and, I got to break these tires in a little bit, man. Yeah, they hooking up, man. The other ones, I would have been off in the tree somewhere. I still got to break them in. They probably still, got a little dirt on them from being shipped and, the oils and everything from the manufacturing process and et cetera, et cetera. You know, I'm just trying to justify why I'm gonna be driving like an asshole for a little bit here. Yeah, nah, them boys hooked. I did one little pull earlier. I didn't have the camera on, and you know, I got all the dirt and stuff off of them, and I could not hook up. All right, so yeah, so speaking of driving, I'm on my way to Summit right now to get a K&N air filter. Like I said, I don't believe that buying a full air intake is worth it on this car. The stock air box is good. Like I said, it's a turbo. Yeah, this mug is hooking, man. I didn't feel nearly as much wheel spin as I used to, man. It used to be kind of annoying just trying to accelerate normally. You know, of course, if you do something like that, each shift it would just it'd be party time back there, man. But yeah, before, like I said, y'all know, I'm pretty sure everybody's driven on some worn tires before, so I don't need to explain to y'all. But like I said, I'm trying to justify my investment here. Definitely upgraded the tires that needed to be upgraded. It was definitely an upgrade that was needed. Get a little bit more life out of these suckers, hopefully. Yeah, like I said, since I barely get to put any miles on this car, you know, it should last quite a while. Mixed use. And then maybe I'll be able to see, you know, what these things will do out on the track. Like I said, my last time I was out on the track, I was having obviously issues. I mean, these are still street tires at the end of the day, but I was having issues with, like, you know, the 60 foot and spinning off the line. So this should help resolve that issue, as well as be a pretty good daily driver tire. But yeah, I don't know if this clip cut out before, so I'm on my way to Summit. Get that drop-in filter, man. Like I said, I don't believe that getting a full-blown air intake kit for one, a car that has a pretty good factory air intake system, and two, a turbo car, $400 is, in my mind, that's stupid. When you get a $30 drop-in filter and get the same benefit. Man, it's windy as hell today. Man, it's boost weather season, man. I can definitely feel a difference. What's the temperature outside? 53. That's not even that cool, man. I guess it's better than 90. 80s and 90s when I was rolling. But yeah, these new tires, they feel so much better. The car's not tramlining as much. It's not grabbing the ruts in the road. Got that grip, dog. No slipping, straight gripping. Making some shit up like Dunk Master and Demonology. No capping, just gapping. But man, I guess because I haven't been on the highway with this car in a while, just like, dang, man, I gotta get back acclimated. I feel like it's a different car. Does that happen to anybody else? You haven't driven your car in a long time, and so when you get back in it, it's like, oh, what is this? But yeah, all right, man. I'm on the way to Summit, so I will check back in with y'all when I get there. All right, so we getting up here close to Summit. Bust this U-turn on them. reminisce from the last time I came down here, how you can't see shit. Alright, so we pulling up. There it is over the hill. Like, oh. Yeah, what are you doing? About to see a wreck up in this piece. In that thing. All right. Get on up in there. They wild for not having a spot where you can do donuts, like, or a drag strip. Come on, Summit. They got a maze up in here. What's the deal, Summit? All right, y'all. Finna do this little texting pickup dance. And I'll be back with y'all in a second. All right, so Summit has their own filter. It looks like it's made by Green Filters, which I've seen the green filters online before as well. So it's kind of like a K&N knockoff. It was like 30 bucks or whatever, but man, the quality on this is this is a little sketch, man. There were like little pieces of the mold like stuck in between the elements, or element, and that was kind of you know, that was a little disconcerting, man. It's like, I mean, I know it's cheap, but I don't want to suck none of that stuff up into the turbo. So I knocked all that stuff out. There was a little stuff in between here and on the edges where the little mold dries and what have you. And I just pulled those off because, like I said, I don't want those to get in the turbo and cause issues. Little pieces around the edge and stuff like that. I don't know, man. On a 1 to 10, man, this is looking like a 3, brother. I got all the stuff out, so I think I'm all right to go ahead and put this in. You know, I don't know. Boy had bad luck with with this car already. But you know, I guess at this point it is what it is. So as long as I don't see nothing glaring, I think I'll be good. But yeah, Summit branded air filter for Mustangs. I don't know, man. If y'all see this online, y'all might want to go ahead and skip that and get the K&N. It's like, I think the K&N was like $15 more or whatever. Might be worth it, bruh. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in, man. Good thing about this is it's really easy to install, man. Unlike the Volkswagen where you got to get the drill out and take bolts off and do all the extra stuff, man. You just unclip and boom, there it is. There's the OG filter, which this sucker got them pulled in leaves and all type of stuff on it on the side. So you know it's working, it's doing its job. So this bad boy, and you can tell the difference there. It's a lot thinner. Should have let in a little bit more air, which means a little bit more power, baby.
I'm on power, baby. I'm on power, baby. Testify.
Fits like a glove. Make sure I get all these leaves and stuff that's blown in. Golly, wind. Stop blowing stuff in here. off the filter. The wind blows and knocks more stuff into the box. All right, got that joker clamped back down. Good to go. Like I said, I don't think spending $400 for a replacement air intake is worth it. Because look, the air intake already pulls from the front of the car anyway. That plastic right there goes all the way to the front, all the way to that intake right there. So it's a cold air intake already. And then of course, with it being, you know, this plastic composite stuff, it's really good on its own of keeping heat out. Of course, I mean, there's only so much you can do. Only thing I think that might make a difference is getting a larger intake tube, because this one kind of tapers off down here and gets really small. But realistically, I mean, it's not gonna make the turbo's job any easier. I mean, it's a spinning blade over there, so I don't think spending $400 is worth it. But this box, it's cold air already, does a good job keeping the heat down. The filter itself, like I said, I just replaced that, so it's a little bit freer flowing filter. Pick up maybe about 0.5 horsepower. So yeah, for me, the gains ain't worth it. Ain't that truck clean? But yeah, like I was saying, man, for me, $400 ain't worth it. That filter cost like $30, and clearly looked like it was $30 worth of filter right there. That might look a little cheap, but if it does the job, it does the job, and that's all I really care about, man. So hopefully doesn't backfire in my face, but for the most part should be good. Like I said, not gonna pick up any significant power or anything, just help it breathe just a tiny little bit better. So yeah, man, that's it, man. I got tires today, got the filter today, got a fresh tank of gasoline in the whip, you know what I'm saying? So I'm feeling good, man. Only thing I need now is like a fresh haircut. Your boy be feeling like $1 million at that point, but can only do so much, man. You know what I'm saying? The quarantine fro's still here. The car's still in good condition, man, good shape, man, just in case y'all been wondering. And so I think that's a good enough video for y'all today, man. I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.
Come on, got a lot of shit that's going on. I've been dealing with it all. I've been building, getting stronger. They ain't never leaving me alone. Always calling up my phone, asking for the